aceptar, 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 aceptar. And this sounds like something you already know. What does this mean? This means to accept. When you have to accept something, but it doesn't have to be dramatic, you know. We could be talking about something common that happens every day. For example, no se acepta efectivo. No se acepta efectivo. Do you know what efectivo is? No se acepta efectivo. This is said by a lot of people at stores, you know, when you are about to pay for something, you know, if you buy coffee or something like that, they might say this to you, no se acepta efectivo. What does this mean? This means literally cash is not accepted, or we don't take cash, okay? But this term is this sentence is very commonly said, you know, at businesses, at stores, at shops, if, you know, they don't take cash. Efectivo means cash, okay? So that's another great term to learn. Efectivo, cash. No se acepta. You're pretty much saying it's not accepted, you know? In this case, we're talking about efectivo, cash. Or sometimes they might say, you know what? We take cash. You can pay with cash. So how would you say that? How would you say we take cash or we accept cash? So you would say, or you would just remove no. Oops, we need that like that. Se acepta efectivo. That's another common phrase to say. Se acepta efectivo. And this means cash is accepted, or we take cash. You know, you can pay with cash. That's what it means. But this verb is commonly used in that particular situation, in this particular situation, when talking about, you know, the way you pay things. It could be, you know, credit cards, debit, you know, you just change the noun. Some people say, se acepta tarjetas de crédito. Oops, sorry about that. And this means pretty much, you know, we take credit cards. Oops, I'm showing you everything. I wanna keep some mystery here, and it's just not happening. Like, come on. Okay, so se acepta, okay, se aceptan, because we're talking about credit cards. It's, I mean, any credit card, right? It could be, yeah, I know that Amex is sometimes not accepted anywhere. I'm sorry. I remember, I mean, I don't want to say companies or anything like that, but Amex sometimes is like, I want to pay. I'm like, I want to pay with Amex, and it's not accepted. No one takes it for some reason. I'm not sure why. But anyways, that's another topic. Se aceptan tarjetas de crédito means, you know, pretty much credit cards are accepted, or we take credit cards. You can pay with credit cards. Excellent. Now let's look at the other example that you probably saw already. Yeah, you probably saw that already. Let's see. ¿Crees que debería aceptar? This is just some vague question, but we're using aceptar. ¿Crees que debería aceptar? You can, you know, ask this, I don't know, to a friend. Maybe you can ask this question because you don't know what to do. Do you know what to do? You don't know what to do and you need some advice or something like that. This question means, do you think I should accept? Okay, maybe we're talking about a job, we're talking about some project, you don't know, but do you think I should accept? ¿Crees que debería aceptar? Let's break this down. ¿Crees que? This is a common thing to say in Spanish, and this means, do you think? Do you think? And then you add the rest of the phrase. Debería, I should. I mean, once again, yo, you can say yo, but you don't have to. ¿Crees que yo debería? Or ¿crees que debería? Do you think I should? And then aceptar, accept. So this is a very, very good example of using, aceptar in a question. And someone might say, yes, you should, right? Or not, don't do it. But aceptar can be used in everyday life situations, or, like the way you pay for something, or you can just in general use it as, like you would use to accept in English. Okay, aceptar means to accept.